Okay, so a bike racing team is training for an upcoming track event and has been recording data on their riders to analyse performance and fitness. The results are in the table below. The units in the average heart rate column are in beats per minute, BPM. Expressing as a percentage of a top speed of rider A, what is rider D's top speed? Okay, so I'll get rid of that for a second. We're looking for what is 71 out of 76 as a percentage. Alright, let's work it out. So our target, which is 71, over the total percentage, which is 76, that's 93.4%, 42%. That's our answer. That one was relatively straightforward. If you know what you're doing. I used the wrong equation at first. I have to record this video again. The support team are examining the heart rate data for rider B in more detail and see that the rider's heart rate rises up by 38.5 BPM from the average during training. What was the maximum heart rate of rider B? Okay. So their average heart rate was 127.5. Rises up by 38.5 BPM. So we add 38.5 to this 166. That one was pretty simple, I think. Now, what is the difference in laps per hour between riders C and D, expressed as a percentage of a laps per hour of rider A? Okay, wow, that's a tricky one. So the difference in laps per hour, that's 7, because 36 take away 29, 7. So 7 percentage of the laps per hour of rider A. So to get the percentage of something, target over total, 7 divided by 28. Oh, it's 25%. Alright, okay, maybe it wasn't as hard as it seemed. Now, the combined average heart rate of the 4 riders. Okay, so we get our average equation out. Now, the mean is the numbers added together divided by how many numbers there are. So we add all of our average heart rates together and then divide it by 4. So 130.3, 127.5, 132.7, 123. Divide that by 4, 128.375. In other words, 128.38. Careful not to get mixed up here. And that's us done. We had to round up because if 5 means we round up instead of going down to 0.37, just to say. Let me mark the test. And full marks, not bad.